Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, I know very well. That is why government has reduced the syllabus by 30%, no? Government has reduced the syllabus. Huh. Now board is clear. Now mute the microphone. Let us start. 5C. Huh. 5C. Factorize. Huh, yes, mute the microphone. Factorize 25a square minus 9b square. Factorize. Two type. Yes. Now 25a square minus 9b square. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone now. 25a square minus 9b square. 25a square I can write 5a whole square. 9b square I can write. Only you have to see. Only you have to see this part. No need of that title part. 5a square, 25a square. I can write 5a whole square. Then 9b square I can write 3b whole square. So it is very much clear. Now it is of the form. It is wait. Wait. Yes. Wait. Now it is clear. Yes. Now you see 5a square. How you cannot see? It is very much clear now, right? So this is x square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. It is of the form x square minus y square. 25a square we write 5a whole square. 9b square we write 3b whole square. So x square minus y square formula we apply. x plus y into एक मिनट. चलो ठीक है. लेट मी सी. Now it is clear. I am able to see it is very much. Yes. Now it is clear. Right. Yes. You keep the phone horizontal. Now it is very much clear. No, but in my phone it is very much clear. No. See in many other phone it is very much clear. In phone also it is. Yes. So x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So this I can write 5a plus 3b into 5a minus 3b. 5a plus 3b into 5a minus 3b. Now it is clear. Yes, this is the final answer, right? 5a plus 3b into 5a minus 3b. 5a plus 3b. Yes, it is clear, right? Yes, right. Then second, a square minus 2. This is 5C exercise, first sum. 25a square minus 9b square. Fifth chapter, factorization. 25a square I can write 5a whole square. 9b square I can write 3b whole square. So 5a square minus 3b whole square is of the form x square minus y square. X square minus y square formula is x plus y into x minus y. So this I can write 5a plus 3b into 5a minus 3b, and this is the final answer. Now second, a square minus 2a plus 3b whole square. again same formula we apply. X square minus now हाँ एक मिनट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर, एक मिनट, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर एक now you right. नहीं राइट नहीं क्लियर है वेयर इज ब्लड नहीं now it is clear, right? Yes, so right, x square minus y square is x plus y. X plus y into x minus y. Wait, so a square, so this I can write a plus 2a plus 3b, a minus 2a plus 3b, a plus b into a minus b, so this I can write a plus 2a plus 3b, okay, into okay. No, how a square will come? No, a square is same as x square, so original number is a, so this is my a plus 2a plus 3b, a plus b, x plus y into a minus 2a plus 3b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This is my b part entire. So this is same as a plus 2a plus 3b into a minus 2a minus 3b. Let me explain it. Now this is a square minus 2a plus 3b whole square. So this is of the form a square minus b square or x square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So x is a plus y 2a plus 3b into a minus 2a plus 3b. फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया, x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So outside bracket plus sign, so 2a plus 3b will remain same, but my in second part I have changed. No, minus inside sign will not change. Remember, inside sign will not change. Inside sign 2a plus 3b will remain 2a plus 3b, because this is my yes. Only outside sign you have to write plus minus. Only outside you have to write plus minus. This number will remain same. What is my actual number? 2a plus 3b. My actual number is 2a plus 3b. This y is nothing but 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b is entire y. Yes. Now third is 81. Third is a square. Where a minus 2a, okay, a plus 2a, okay, they are like terms, we can add them, okay, if you want. A plus 2a is 3a, 3a plus 3b, then a minus 2a is minus a minus 3b, this is the answer. 3a plus 3b into minus a minus 3b. A plus 2a, a plus 2a, a and 2a, they are like terms. Like terms we can add. because a and 2a they are having same variable a. So a plus 2a is 3a plus 3b. Then a minus 2a, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Yes, you can take 3 common. If you want further also, you can write 3 into a plus b into minus a minus 3b. This is the answer. No problem. You can take 3 outside. Yes, okay. Even if you don't take 3 outside, it's okay. Then next is, in the same way you will do a square minus, third one, a square minus, yes, mute the microphone, 81 into b minus c square. 81 into b minus c square. A square minus 81 into b minus c square. This I can write a square minus 81 I can write 9 into b minus c, this entire whole square. 81 I can write 9 square, then b minus c square I can write b minus c whole square. So 9 into b minus c. Yes, mute the microphone. No. We are taking 81 as 9 square, and then b minus c square I am taking b minus c term. So 9 into b minus c, the second term I can write 9 into b minus c whole square. Bigger square is there. Now consider this as x and this as y. This I can consider x. Okay. 81 I can write 9 square. Then b minus c whole square is b minus c square. So this entire part I can write 9 into b minus c whole square. When I will open the bracket, it will be 9 square 81, then b minus c square. This second term entire I can write 9 into b minus c whole square. Consider a as x and 9 into b minus c as y. So we use the formula x square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. My x is a. X is a. So this becomes a plus 9 into b minus c. A plus 9 into b minus c into a minus 9 into b minus c. Yes, which part? Tell me. After formula, my x is a and my y is this entire bracket term. Bracket term is 9 into b minus c. 9 into b minus c is my y. Yes. So next part I will simplify further. This x is a and y is 9 into b minus c. So formula is x plus y. So a plus 9 into b minus c into x minus y. X is a minus y 9 into b minus c. This with 9 into b minus c will remain same. Only this plus and minus sign will change. Plus and minus sign change. This inside sign will not change. So now we open the bracket so that because I have used one bigger bracket, no? X plus y. What is my y? Y is this bracket term, no? 9 into b minus c is y. 9 into b minus c is y. So a plus, open the bracket, 9b plus into minus minus 9c into, open the bracket, a minus 9b minus into minus plus 9c, and this is the answer. A plus 9b minus 9c. Okay. See, x square minus y square, I can write x plus y into x minus y. Now what is my x? A. What is y? Y is 9 into b minus c. So plus 9 into b minus c. Y is same as 9 into b minus c. Inside sign will not change. No. See, inside sign I have not changed. 9 into b minus c, I have not changed. 9 into b minus c, 9 into b minus c. Only this plus minus I have written. Plus minus. And then after, when you will simplify, when you open the bracket, you have to change the sign. Plus into plus 9b, plus into minus, minus. Then minus into minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Yes, you have to apply formula after identifying x square minus y square type. Yes. Bracket before 9, because this is my 9 into b minus c whole square. I want this as one term. No, this one term I want. X square minus y square form I want. X square minus y square, x plus y into x minus y. X is my a and y is 9 into b minus c. Y is 9 into b minus c. And last step you have to write a plus 2a, you have to write 3a. This part you have to write compulsory. Then taking 3 comma you can omit, no problem. Then fourth. So basically in all this we are using the formula x square minus y square, x plus y into x minus y. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. We are using that formula. Or a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. We are using that formula. Now, fourth one, 25 into 2a minus b whole square, 2a minus b whole square minus 81b square, 81b square. Now total how many terms are there? Total how many terms are there? 2 terms. This is my one term and this is other term. So this first term I will write square of one number. So 25 I can write 5, then 2a minus b, 5 into 2a minus b, and then I will write whole square. 5. So this first term I can write 5 into 2a minus b whole square. Then 81 is 9, then 9b whole square. 9b whole square. So again this is my x, this is my x, and this is my y. So we use the formula x square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So this I can write 5 into 2a minus b, this is my x, plus y, y is 9b, so plus 9b, into x, x is 5 into 2a minus b, 5 into 2a minus b is x, minus y, y is 9b. So plus minus b is 9b, 9b. Now you can open the bracket. Now how cancel? Wait, you cannot cancel. First you open this bracket. 5 into 2, 10a, minus 5b, plus 9b. Then 10a, minus 5b, minus 9b. Now you can add the like terms. Like terms are bb, minus 5b plus 9b. Minus 5 plus 9 is plus 4b. Minus 5b and 9b I can simplify. They are like terms, same variable, bb. So minus 5 plus bb you will not cancel, you will add or subtract their coefficient. What is coefficient of b? Minus 5. Coefficient of b is 9. So 9 minus 5 plus 4. Similarly second, 10a minus 5 minus 9 minus 14b. and this is the answer. 10a plus 4b into 10. Yes? No, normally we add or subtract the coefficient of the variable. We don't consider b. We add and subtract their coefficient. What is coefficient of b? Minus 5. Plus 9b and minus 5b you can simplify plus 4b. No, now you have to stop there because this is factorization. 5a, where is 5? That part you can do if you want. You can take further as 2 common, then it will be 5a plus 2b, 2 common. Yes, you can do in that way also if you want. You can take 2 common, no problem. Let me write one more step if you want. So 10a plus 4b, 2 is common, then what is left? 5a plus 2b, 5a plus 2b into 2 common 5a minus 7b. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5a plus 2b into 5a minus 7b. This is the answer if you want. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 2 is 4. When you will multiply 2 by 5, again you will come back to this only. You will go in the reverse direction. And yes, see this is also one of the answer. No, I will advise you simplify till there is common, because sometimes the model answer it is given when there is no. This will be the model answer. In some of the textbook this will be the answer, so it does not matter. I will advise you. नहीं कटेगा. Nobody will cut the marks. But yes. You can verify your answer. You will get same answer. 15 AQ minus 2A. Simplify. We are taking common. 2 we are taking common. From this 2 are taking common, 2 are taking common. So then 2 into 2 is 4. Now simplify 50 AQ minus 2A. What is common in them? 2A. Grouping is not possible. Because it is multiplication of 2 terms. Grouping is not possible because we are having, this is of the type x square minus y square. X square minus y square we can directly factorize x plus y into x minus y. So their grouping is not possible because there I will use the formula x square minus y square. Let us see in this also. 50 a cube and 2a. 50 a cube and 2a. 2a is common. So 25 a square minus 1. So this is 2a. 25 a square, I can write 5a whole square, and 1 I can write 1 square. Now it is clear. Now 25 a square, I will write 5a whole square, and 1 I can write 1 square. Again it is of the type x square minus y square. This is my x and this is my y. So x square minus y square. Yes, what is x square minus y square? X square minus y square is x. X plus y into x minus y. So this I can write 2a into 5a plus 1 into 5a minus 1. 5a plus 1 into 5a minus 1. This is the answer. Clear. अरे हाँ, नाउ इट इज, हाँ, 2a into, now it is clear, x square minus y square, x plus y into x minus y, so 5a plus 1, हाँ, clear, yes. No, see, this, no, see, this 2a is already there. 2a is already there and we are applying the formula in this bracket, x square minus y square. So 2a is already there. So those terms which are already there, they will be carried forward. So 2a is already there. 2a has no link with this formula. 2a is not linked to this formula. 2a I have to carry it forward. 2a, then apply the formula a square minus b square, x square minus y square, x plus y into x minus y. Yes. You will apply x square minus y square, x plus y into x minus y. हाँ. So, sixth. No, if you open the bracket, you will get same 50aq minus 2a. Factorization means, what do you mean by factorization? Factorization means the expression is written as product of terms. This is product of how many terms? 1, 2, 3. So product of 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, wherever you will get means factorization is over. When you will simplify, you will get, it is here 3 terms. This is multiplication of 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. But this is 1 term only. Yes. Now sixth I am planning to give homework. 4a square b minus 9b cube. You take b common and simplify. Should I give this homework sixth? Yes. So this I am planning to give homework sixth. B you will take common, then you will simplify. Yes. You have to take b common. 6, let me 6, 7, 3a raised to 5 minus 108 a cube. What is common in these two? 3a cube is common. 3a cube is common and simplify. Homework. 8. Wait. 9 into a minus 2 whole square minus 16 into a plus 2 whole square. Wait. Only 2 problem I am giving. 9 into a minus 2 whole square minus 16 into a plus 2 whole square. Let me do this. So 9 into, no, this I will write 3 into a minus 2 whole square. What I can write? 9 square. 9 I can write 3 square. 9 I can write 3 square. Then a minus 2 whole square minus 16 I can write 4 square. 4 into a plus 2, 4 into a plus 2 whole square. 4 into a plus 2 whole square. Now you can simplify. This you can write 3a, 3 into a. 3a minus 6 square minus 4a plus 8 square. So this is my x and this is my y. Apply the formula x square minus y square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y. So that will be 3a. Yes, that will be 3a minus 6. 3a minus 6 plus 4a plus 8. 3a minus 6. 3a minus 6 plus 4a plus 8. 4a plus 8 in bracket into 3a minus 6 minus 4a plus 8. See this second, this sign I will not change. 4a plus 8 remain 4a plus 8 only. Only this outside plus minus change. There it is plus, there it is minus. But this sign, inside sign I am not changing. This is x plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y. So now you simplify this. So this becomes 3a minus 6 plus 4a plus 8 into 3a minus 6 minus 4a minus into plus minus 8. Now you take the common 3a plus 4a, 3a plus 4a is 7a, minus 6 plus 8 is plus 2, minus 6 plus 8 is plus 2. Then 3a minus 4a is minus a, minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14. There. 3a minus 6 minus 4a plus 8. I have closed the bracket, no, bigger bracket. I have closed. Closing bracket is there. You can write one more step if you want. In the textbook, answer will be given in this form also. 7a plus 2. Now in this minus minus, I can take minus 1 common outside. So inside it will be a plus 14. Minus a minus 14, you can take minus 1 outside, and now this minus sign you can take common with anyone. So minus 7a plus 2 into a plus 14. This is the answer. This is the answer. It is fine, but sometimes the answer is given in this form. Correct. Okay. Yes. Bye. Yes, even if you stop there, no problem. Yes, now we are having last lecture. Yes, 12:50 we are having. Yes. Yes. Yes, you will get full marks, don't worry.